Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the turn signal bulbs in the rear of my 2002 Lexus GS300. It should be a pretty simple operation. The taillights, I believe, just come right out once you open up the trunk. I'm going to be replacing them with these LED bulbs from LASFIT. Great thing about these is that they don't require load resistors like a lot of LED bulbs do, and I really like the safety aspect of LED bulbs being brighter, as well as having instant on-off capability as opposed to incandescent bulbs fading in and out because they're a filament-based bulb. So what I'm going to do is bring you all over to the car, show you what's going on before we take anything apart, show you how to take it apart, show you how to swap out the bulb, and then show you what the end result is. So I'll get over to the car and I'll show you what's going on there. Now we're over here at the back of the car. You can see I have the turn signal bulb going right now, just so you can get an idea of what it looks like stock and its location as well. You can see that this is currently an incandescent bulb. It's fading in and out, kind of like a standard turn signal does. And as far as replacing it goes, I believe all you have to do is open up your trunk and take off these two screw covers, and there should be two probably 10mm bolts behind there. You should be able to pull the whole taillight out, change the bulb out, and put the taillight back in and have a working product. So I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling and show you how that goes. Okay, so as you can see, I pulled out the two bolts that go to the taillight from the outside. You can see it's still held in. So I did a little bit more poking around and investigating, and found out that there's two more on the back side. These are nuts that you take off, and they actually have really nice little access panel covers that you just twist to loosen and come off. So there's a nut in each one of those holes, and all you have to do is take those nuts off and then the taillight should come right out. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those nuts off and show you what the taillight looks like once it's slid out of the car. You can see I got the taillight loose now. All you have to do once you get those nuts on the inside off is pull it out, and you can see you have access to all of the lights in the back. The one that we're going to be replacing is this one right here. All you're going to do is turn left to loosen, pull it out. I'm going to actually do the replacement off camera because I don't have any extra hands right now. But all you have to do once you've pulled this socket out and pulled the bulb out is to pull the bulb straight out of the socket and put the new one in, push it to make sure it clicks into place, and you should be good to go. I believe the bulbs that I'm using, the LED ones, are polarity sensitive. So what you want to do before you button everything back up and put all the nuts and bolts back in is turn on your emergency flashers or turn on your turn signal to make sure that the bulb that you installed is actually flashing. And if it's not, all you need to do is flip it 180 degrees in the socket and you should be good to go there. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the bulb and show you a 50-50 shot of what it looks like with the old one versus the new one. So I'll be right back with that. Okay, so now we have the new bulb installed along with the old one. We're going to go ahead and turn on the taillights, the turn signals. You can see this one's a lot brighter and it has that instant on-off, whereas if we pan over to the old bulb, it's definitely dimmer and you can see it fades in and out. So I'm going to go ahead and put that side all back together. Haven't put the bolts back in or the covers back in yet, and then I'll replace the other side and give you a shot of what it looks like completely done. Well, as you can see, we got both of the turn signal lights installed now. Really easy job. Took me about 30 minutes, and that's including filming as well as detailing behind the lights because that's just how I am and that's what I do. For you guys, 15-minute job easily. So you can see the lights are a lot brighter. They come on and off instantly, which is, in my opinion, a great safety feature, and which is why I'm slowly switching over all of my vehicles to LED lighting. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.